In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue refunds in Zoho Books. Navigating through financial software can sometimes feel daunting, but with this guide, you'll find that organizing your finances and managing refunds becomes a breeze. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to access your Zoho Books account. A good starting point is always your dashboard because it acts as the control center for all your financial activities. After logging in, head straight to this hub of business insights. You'll notice a variety of options, but our focus today is on managing sales transactions. So look for the sales section. This is your next destination. Clicking on sales opens the door to a range of financial functionalities, all aimed at helping you keep track of incoming revenue and pertinent transactions. Once you're in the sales section, direct your attention to payments received. This choice is crucial as it holds the key to all payments that have come through and indeed the ones you might need to refund. After clicking on Payments Received, the page will refresh and you'll be presented with a list. This list catalogs the payments you've received in an organized manner, showcasing the dates, amounts, and customer information. Your task now is to navigate through this list to locate the specific payment tied to the refund requirement. This is where attention to detail becomes paramount. Carefully verify each piece of information, the date of the transaction, the exact amount received, and any identifiers associated with that payment. Double-check these details to ensure that no stone is left unturned. You want to be absolutely positive that you're handling the correct transaction. Once your verification is complete, it's time to proceed with initiating the refund. You'll notice a refund option, which has prompts that will guide you through the process. Each step ensures that you're moving towards finalizing this refund in a thorough, error-free manner. It's a systematic approach that eliminates guesswork, helping you confirm every detail before you take the final step. Remember, managing financial records accurately is not just a recommendation. It's a best practice. As you go through these steps, make it a point to document every action you take. Whether it's scribbling notes for future reference or maintaining an electronic trail, having clear records ensures that you can track what was done, when it was done, and why. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated through Zoho Books to issue a refund. By following these steps, you maintain financial integrity, uphold customer trust, and keep your business running smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.